See that? That's a poor rendition. Here's an example. You see that? What am I doing? My point for saying this is there are some notes in music, like some chords. With the blues of the 145, this is such a shitty interview. I feel like I failed miserably. No, I won't continue. My point for saying this is, in a 145 blues progression, right, when you hit the 5 sound like it wants to resolve back to the 1. It's the same with pop music. When there's a bridge, how do I explain this, man?